About 37 million people, or 15% of U.S. adults, are estimated to have chronic kidney disease (CKD). Approximately 90% of those with kidney disease don't know they have it. 1 in 3 adults in the U.S., approximately 80 million, is at risk for kidney disease. As we navigate through the course of our daily lives, we often develop habits that, while seemingly innocuous, could be silently wreaking havoc on our health. This is especially true when it comes to the health of our kidneys, a pair of vital organs responsible for filtering out waste from our bloodstream, maintaining our body's fluid balance, and performing several other crucial functions. Certain habits can be detrimental to kidney health, gradually wearing down their functioning and potentially leading to serious conditions like kidney disease. Some of these habits are so deeply ingrained in our lifestyles that we hardly notice them, and as a result, their potential impact on our kidneys is often overlooked. Are you aware that you might be inadvertently harming your kidneys every day? As a matter of fact, out of the 6 habits we'll discuss, you might be surprised to find that you're regularly practicing at least 3 of them, completely oblivious to the potential damage they may be causing to your kidneys. Let's take a closer look to bring awareness and, hopefully, inspire positive changes for your kidney health.
Hi, I am Rob from Xplaininghealth. Every week I would like to share my medical knowledge.
Number 1. Delaying the urge to urinate. Habitually delaying the urge to urinate can have negative effects on kidney health and overall urinary tract health. When you hold in urine for extended periods, your bladder becomes overfilled, causing pressure in your kidneys and potentially leading to kidney dysfunction over time. Moreover, consistently retaining urine can cause the bladder to stretch and weaken, which in turn can lead to urinary retention, urinary incontinence, and urinary tract infections. How to fix it? Listen to your body. When you feel the urge to urinate, try to go to the bathroom as soon as possible. Don't hold it in for prolonged periods. Plan ahead. If you're going to be somewhere where a restroom might not be readily available, try to use the bathroom beforehand. Take regular breaks. If you're on a long ride, planning regular stops for bathroom breaks can help. If you're at work, make sure to take regular short breaks to use the restroom.
I sincerely hope you enjoy this content. Subscribe to get more informative videos like this.
The second thing that you do and is terrible for your kidneys is not getting enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for overall health, including kidney health. Chronic sleep deprivation is associated with various health problems, including cardiovascular disease, obesity, diabetes, and chronic kidney disease, CKD. Kidneys operate according to the circadian rhythm, the body's internal clock, which is influenced by the sleep-wake cycle. The production of certain hormones, the regulation of body temperature, and kidney function are all affected by this cycle. Disruption of sleep, or the circadian rhythm, can adversely affect the kidney's functioning and, over time, contribute to kidney disease. To fix it, try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This consistency can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve the quality of your sleep. Create a restful environment. Make your sleeping environment quiet, dark, and cool. Consider using earplugs, an eye mask, or a white noise machine if necessary. A comfortable mattress and pillows can also enhance sleep quality.
Before we proceed, do not forget to leave a thumbs up.
Number 3 is ignoring chronic health conditions. Certain conditions, such as diabetes and hypertension, high blood pressure, are major risk factors for chronic kidney disease, CKD. Diabetes can damage the small blood vessels in the body, including those in the kidneys. This can interfere with the kidney's ability to filter waste from the blood effectively. If not properly managed, diabetes can lead to diabetic nephropathy, a form of kidney damage, and ultimately end-stage renal disease, where dialysis or a kidney transplant becomes necessary. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, can also cause damage to the kidneys. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels, including those leading to the kidneys, reducing their ability to function effectively. Over time, uncontrolled high blood pressure can lead to kidney failure. Number 4 is overusing painkillers. Overuse of certain types of painkillers, particularly non-prescription ones such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, can potentially cause harm to the kidneys over time. NSAIDs include common over-the-counter drugs such as ibuprofen and naproxen. These drugs work by reducing the production of prostaglandins, substances that promote inflammation and pain, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the blood flow to the kidneys. Decreased prostaglandin levels can lead to reduced blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their function, especially in individuals who already have compromised kidney function or other risk factors for kidney disease. Prolonged use of NSAIDs can lead to a variety of kidney problems, including acute kidney injury, a sudden decrease in kidney function, and chronic kidney disease. Long-term, gradual loss of kidney function. Moreover, NSAIDs can cause fluid retention and raise blood pressure, which can also negatively impact kidney health. Number 5. Eating processed foods. Processed foods are foods that have been altered from their original state, typically for convenience, longevity, or as a byproduct of industrialization. They often contain high levels of sodium, added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. These foods include items like canned goods, fast foods, snack foods, prepackaged meals, and sodas. Consuming processed foods regularly can pose several risks to your kidney health. High sodium content. Many processed foods contain high amounts of sodium, salt, which can increase blood pressure. Over time, high blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to function properly. High sugar content. Processed foods often contain added sugars, which can contribute to obesity and diabetes, both major risk factors for kidney disease. Preservatives and phosphates. Some processed foods contain preservatives and phosphates that can be harmful to the kidneys. People with kidney disease often have trouble processing phosphates, leading to high phosphate levels in the blood, which can cause various health problems.
Now be honest and say how many of these habits you practice.
Number 6. Not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining kidney health. Water aids the kidneys in filtering waste from the blood, regulating body fluids, and maintaining blood pressure. If you're not drinking enough water, your kidneys have to work harder to perform these tasks, potentially leading to dehydration and kidney damage over time. Dehydration can cause a buildup of waste and acids in the body, and it can also lead to kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and kidney disease. In severe cases, chronic dehydration can cause kidney failure, which is a serious medical emergency. Here are some ways to ensure you're drinking enough water. Monitor your water intake. Check the color of your urine. Increase water intake during exercise or in hot weather. And eat hydrating foods. Watch this video about dates, fruits benefits. Good health.